Guys, check in. I wanted to catch some footage when I removed the black them, but I want to tell you say couldn't do that because the rain did fall. So I'm here in the middle of the night where I get the job done. You know what I mean? I don't have nobody phone the camera for me, so it's just be by myself. So far I'm looking at so much gone. So I'm gone so far, guys. So I take off the whole of that row here. Yeah, you see me? So I have a lot more to go. God is the greatest. Give thanks to them black I actually even know. Ever lay one of them black I lay, I go say a word of prayer. Yeah man. If you don't want to see my face, I'm a piece of shame. So you know, so the work didn't even mean nothing to it right now. We just had to do the right thing. You see it, so you know 100 black a small fry still. But at first me I really take on a challenge like this. You know what I mean? So I get back to work and I check in back once. You know, as I say, I don't have nobody for the camera for me, so it's just me by myself. I don't even have the microphone, so I go hear a bag of Twinkie in the background, guys. So stick and stay and watch what I go on. Oh, guys. Alright, so this is it. So each time when I see the view, I see if we can do it in a segment. So yeah, that side they come over here, so eat up the whole other side there, then I make another run. Come to over here, so make another run. Just breeze off everything. See there? So I carry them two at a time. Boy, night ninja out there without fear. God is the greatest. Guys, it's the morning time, you know what I mean? So I couldn't finish the job last night because the time was too late, you know what I mean? So what I had to do was to just cancel until, you know, in the morning. So basically I run off like probably 30 of the black them. I pack them up down there, so you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go to my see me can run off the rest. As I also we don't have nobody phone the camera for it today, so it's just me, myself and I. You understand? So this is not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be short and spicy. So just run off the black then, guys, you know what I mean? So we can just imagine when we get more. You can just imagine muscle them are gonna grow. Yeah guys, so them here. So the black them did there around to outer, so as you can see the impression. Right, so come up to that level here. So yo my Jenna. Alright then, so peeps, you don't know. Let's see if we can run off. I do them in a sets. So I character right so. Run off the whole of this and then I left the half here for last, you see me? Alright, so yesterday I come, guys. I pack up everything right here, so see the journey there. Not far, just you know, come down the step. No, let's come right so here you have it. And the reason I left them here so because the fence practically there right here, so so you know when the work start, you know we can access the black them from here, so and you know probably from around here, so and just do the right thing. But alright, that's where I got enter from. So the gate are there after section here. Yeah man. So I get back to work. So I just carry one for me, gonna see the whole journey. So it's not all you can see it. So I have to go put one right here, so I'll probably come up to run up here, so I have another row I can put around here, so I want to enough workspace, so you can come out here, so anybody who walk, you can walk right here, so yeah man, that is it. Alright peeps, check in. I want to tell you say yo, bad bro forward, you know. Don't give me a strength. Yeah, right after them black yeah? Yeah man, so I'm here and do it today, guys, you see it, so don't know the thing go. That not far, right down there so them I go. You see me? Right down there so. As you can see down there so. You see it. So I want to listen up here and I'll pass through and see me and you know. You see what I go on. Yeah, you see what I go on and you just say man give me a strength, so big up to the general, cause him always, well, when we go up on adventure, him normally there. The last video we post, so we cook the chicken underneath the ground, he was there, he eat, so grateful. So I see if we can run off them black quick and fast, and we check back in, so stick and stay and watch what go on. Yeah guys, we are boss and sweat again. Big up to the general. I mean, the man I go out in business, the man just say, yo, me I give her strength. That's what I'm talking about. Family, is it? And from one day, me and the dog start par, me and the Virgin start par. You know, we go for adventure together. He expressed to me saying, want to start him YouTube channel, but he not on a device, so I don't know. In the interim, if anything can happen, something will happen. Not my promises, but I mean, if anything can happen, we're going to make it happen, because trust me, a good youth. We'll introduce him to the channel shortly, so we'll run off the next 4 black them, so forward. Oh. Can't catch you by yourself, right? Yeah. Oh my God. This is 100 black funnies. Show them this. This is 100 black, guys. This is awesome. This, we have 2 more. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, so there you have it. The black them done. So yeah man, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This is just the first 100. Again, big thanks to the subscriber who reached out from the UK for buying them black for me. Them see the vision. They've been watching the channel for quite some time now. I mean, love the movement, love the family. And that is it. So God is the greatest. The boy Knife Ninja out here without fear.
You know, Satire.
Alright.
I represent the
Knife
black
Ninja.
industry.
Knife
Knife Ninja.
Yeah.
So yeah, today we carry some black. You know, we have to get fit sometime. You know, we have to build up some more structure.
That is it, man.
So good work are going.
Touch it now, man.
Knife Ninja.
That is it.
Bless up.
That is it, guys. So there you have it.